Here we will write a Python program to find how many numbers are present in given range. So first in comment line we will write. First we will accept two numbers from the user. So stnum equal to int input enter starting range. Then we will accept ending number. So enum equal to int input enter ending range or enter ending number. Then we will use while loop. So while stnum less than or equal to enum. Here we are going to count the numbers. So we will define one integer variable cnt which is initialized with 0, and inside the while loop we will increase this cnt. So cnt equal to cnt plus 1, and then we will increase the starting number. So stnum equal to stnum plus 1, and outside the while loop we will print the total number present. So print total number presents, and we will print cnt, and we execute this. I will give starting range as 10, ending range as 20. It will print total number present as 11. Since we have given the range from starting number less than or equal to ending number, so 20 is included, it will give the output 11. If we give here less than and we execute, I will give starting range as 10, ending number as 20. It will print total number present as 10. We can print the numbers along with this. For this, inside the while loop, we will give print stnum, and we execute again. I will give starting range as 20, then 30. It will print total number present as 10, and along with it, it will print the numbers as 20 to 29.